But keep it below 80. Jesus. Vehicle, good pit north, Zancudo. Sir, for the love of God, comply, please.
130 secondary, continuing northwest Zancudo Road. Disregard, heading into the Vineyard, merging southbound off of Zancudo Road. So continuing southbound in the Vineyard, off of Buenvino, merging westbound. If we continue west, we're eventually going to hit 68.
Oh, we might be able to box against these grapes here. Nearly had boxed wine there, Rhodes, huh? Huh?
Continuing.
You like that, do you? You like that one?
Oh, no.
Oh, my legs!
Oh. I'm trying to safely make it down. We're continuing. What's your status?
Oh, shit, can't keep going.
Still westbound, 68. Still continuing westbound, Route 68, passing the gas station. Left, southbound, Great Ocean Highway. Continuing southbound, Great Ocean Highway. Approaching the Chumash Plaza, still southbound Great Ocean, speeds 90. Heavy traffic as we approach the Chumash Plaza, still south.
Rhodes, I don't know how you're feeling, but considering the risk this is to them, that just happened, I might just fly the plane. We'll head back one.
M4. We are still southbound Great Ocean, passing the Fleeca Bank. What did this stem from?
31 Bravo, robbery. I'm happy to stick to it if you want, but, you know, bit of a risk.
I mean, your primary, your call. You want me to break? I'll break.
Yeah,
no
let's
issue.
break it. There's bigger fish to fry out there, considering last I heard on one there was a shooting. Fly the plane now.
Dispatch 130 UTL on the vehicle in question. Heading back to channel 1. Mm-mm-mm. 130 10-8. Be advised, we're UTL on the prior 31 Bravo. We called the pursuit off after one of the pursuit vehicles flipped. Oh. Dude, I haven't seen you in so long.
One 13376, the latest 31 Bravo, running it back.
130, same traffic.
Milton Road and Eclipse.
At 1076 Central Station, 14.
I don't know why I went this way. I thought I was making a left on the wrong road.
One,
so
you want a 77 for that? To the hospital? Hey, Fern, I'm gonna be escorting you guys back to the hospital and speaking with the victim.
Yeah, Ford, do you want a 77 for that?
If you like, I shall be Ocean King. We got multiple robberies in progress, so if you want to respond to it.
Yeah. I am going to respond to the one off Milton.
What did you just do?
He's on scene.
Yes, we got a victim that is passed down the middle road when you pass by. I'll fucking your way. Come back.
There is a Seminole listed as being on scene. Seems like it was Tequila Law.
I saw the Seminole flee from the scene.
What direction?
Northbound Milton Road. Can you read me the last 3 digits of the plate from the call?
608.
I got it here.
Funny.
North Milton Road and Picture Perfect Drive, just north of Tequila La.
19776.
Okay, I think we have 4 already responded to this. Let's take it channel 2.
.130 is attached. Be advised, there's heavy traffic in the area. .130 radio check.
I do.
Be advised, there's heavy traffic in the area on the northbound lanes. Unable to position behind primary.
19723.
.197, cut your lights, and hopefully those locals stop pushing into the intersection.
On 523.
Seems the driver stepped out of the vehicle. Hmm.
So just to inform everybody, we're gonna, all of them are claiming to have a weapon on them. We're gonna go ahead and talk to them, try to come clean with them and see if they'll admit to it, and we'll confiscate the weapon. If they work with us, give us some information, we'll cut them loose.
What did you just do?
They're all armed with melee weapons.
Copy. I'm gonna cut McNulty's lights, see if traffic will start flowing a little bit.
I don't believe it will, I'll try. Actually, I don't know if I want it to flow, though. It's going to hit him.
Be real, it's only a matter of time because traffic's backing up in every direction.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'll try moving now.
You gotta keep the lights off.
Nah, it doesn't do anything when the locals will drive around it when the car's parked. To give them some room, you know? Good at least.
Nah, the lights, they won't move. The lights are on.
For context, when Maple pulled up with lights, traffic started moving and then stopped.
Huh.
Yeah.
Alright, you're correct.
I made it. Okay. This is promising. What's with that sports car? I'm actually impressed. Whoa. Seems that this white vehicle is causing a jam.
Absolutely.
Ah, there's no one in it. I'm gonna go ahead and request a tow for it.
Copy.
There's a tow truck arriving.
Strict business going on here. Tow work.
Got my emergency lights on.
Yep. Excuse
Okay.
me.
Coming through. Oh,
Oh,
arrest that guy.
oh.
Oh, that was not me.
God bless.
That-
God
I
bless.
had nothing to do with that.
Oh, okay.
I'm
We're
going.
going. We're going.
All right, don't worry, guys. Local tow's almost here. Stop flipping me off. That's fucked up. All right. Assuming that tow truck didn't just make a mess, we should be clear.
That took truck absolutely made a mess.
Don't ram it. I'll get it impounded. Oh, I believe in you. I don't believe in you. I almost believed in you. Dispatch 130 requesting a state tow on a Panto, southbound on Milton.
Hey, Rhodes, you have a bottle of water so I can fill up my radiator here?
I don't, unfortunately.
We think I,
Is it smoking
think
up?
I'm overheating.
Is that Ken?
Oh.
Ken, I miss you.
Have a good night, ladies.
Who's Ken?
Who's Ken?
22
Wyatt.
What?
He's a Ken.
So they all
He says
cooperate
Captain
and
so
throw
funny. So he says,
Who, me?
he
Once
says
they hand it over, they're all
no,
gonna be good to
Wyatt.
go.
Oh,
He
Captain.
introduced himself as Ken Turner. Anyway,
You're holding
Oh.
up traffic. Let's get it going.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
I can't get in the goddamn car. It's too close to the wall.
Oh.
You don't fall.
Did Cap really call himself Ken?
I hope not. That's.
That's... Oh no, you think he comes in a box?
I love you, Ken.
Well, I mean, I hope he boys are dinner first.
All right, go work on that one, guys. Let's take it back to channel 1.
Copy. Come on, 7 transition channel 1.
1
All right. $130.76. Latest 31 Bravo for the Quality Way.
Second thing, 23.
Hello, sir. You see anything out of the ordinary? Hmm. $30 code 6. We're on the 31 Bravo. Not seeing much here.
Jesus, watch it!
I love your fight.
Ay, you borrachos!
What the hell?
Radio check.
And 2.
Then 2.
10-2.
133. Penny.
Dispatch 130. UTL on the latest 31 Bravo. I haven't seen anything all around this area.
Dispatch 123, 1042. Good night.
Getting off some us. Rhodes, what's your status?
Motion King, just called the latest 31 Bravo UTL.
Copy that, okay. 4176 to the hospital.
105 units. Just please remember to mark your incidents as processed. You're writing citations. You're arresting people. A lot of reports are not marked.
Is everyone doing? Doing good. Doing good. I am enjoying things. We're gonna go pull over some grime drivers.
What's the status on the 141?
105 en route.
130, same traffic.
Pass you en route as well, please.
What's the 20 of that 13 Bravo fueling?
Looks like Little Soul.
On that 776.
Palomino Ave.
$130.23. Not sure if he drove into a pole. He may have passed out at the wheel. Slacks!
523. Slacks.
He did say earlier that he needed EMS. He wasn't feeling too great.
Oh my gosh. Here, let me get him out of the car here.
Yeah.
Has he?
Slacks.
He did go to the hospital earlier. I'm not sure if he got
All
checked
right.
out, but he's
Has he eaten anything over the last 5 hours?
Slacks, what? Have you eaten, bud? What's going on?
I get 52 is
Let
outside
me
the
look
little
over here, let's
apartment,
see.
so I have a hurt individual here.
Flax, what's going on, bud?
Hey, you're found. Anyway, 76.
Slacks.
I think I passed out. I didn't eat
Yeah.
anything. I'm not sure.
Not seeing really a whole lot of issues. Okay, all right.
Oh, you're
All
not
of a
having a good
sudden-
time, bud.
No.
EMS just drove by. Oh, wait.
All of a sudden, it was like black curtains coming down, and everything blacked out.
You know, that happened to me doing tow yesterday.
Oh. Yep. Doesn't feel good.
Anything
Nope,
in
it
the last,
doesn't.
Like 6 hours?
No. I blame everyone Dundee for the 2 hours in the Mosleys.
Oh.
22 now.
Do you need food? I can give you food, bud.
Yeah, if you can feed me.
I'm gonna put some fries in his mouth.
Oh, okay,
Oh my God.
that works. EMS, you have rolled by the 13. There's already, I believe, a unit further down at the apartments.
And that.
Whichever unit was heading southbound on
That's the way I like 'em.
Palomino, I believe there's already units to the south.
Come on.
The
Munch up.
13 Bravos over at the Lucky
There
Plucker
you are.
parking lot to the north.
I need to
Still
finish my
warm.
porch and clock off for the night.
Still
Oh,
warm.
jeez. Oh.
Another one.
No.
Here's another one.
Thank you.
Oh, a little bit more.
All right.
No more.
One more. Here we
Okay,
go.
one more. Yeah, one
No
more.
more,
There
no
you
more,
go.
no more, no more, no
Oh
more.
my goodness.
One more.
I
Yeah.
don't want to throw up.
I'm sorry about that.
You gotta throw up.
alright.
You haven't eaten anything in 5 hours. How you just throw up?
Oh,
but-
True.
hey,
Oh dear.
you never know. Have you ever thrown up without having eaten in 24 hours?
Actually, absolutely, I have. It's horrendous.
Ooh.
Yeah. Your body will find something, and it will come up.
And it does not feel good.
No, it does not.
Yeah. I don't really see anything wrong. I mean, he just looks super tired. I don't think he's drunk anything. Wait,
Yeah, it checks out.
have you eaten like food or water recently, officer? I mean, sir.
See-
Gosh.
Been a while. I don't know. It's been hours.
When was the last time you slept?
Hours?
15 hours ago?
All right.
Okay. You've been working this whole time on your feet?
Yeah, I've been working 12 hours and forgot to eat. Only ate once.
Oh.
You know what
Yeah,
this
when I
means,
picked up your
right?
cadet captain, he was
He was starving
literally
too.
starving. Yeah, he was. I had to give him a
Oh
french
my
fry. He would
goodness.
die.
Do you
I got some
guys
water
have
for him
food
too.
on you?
Yeah.
Is this a sign that
I already
it's
fed
time
him
to
some fries
recruit?
and some food, some
Right.
water.
Time for
I'll get him
what,
some
bro?
water when he gets up here.
Is it time to recruit people? Oh, Captain, what if you're next?
Sir, I'm gonna help you to your feet here.
We're getting the recruits roads. Slowly.
Oh,
we
come
got,
on.
Yeah, they're
Alright.
filing in.
we got hired 3 today. Thank you.
Wait, really?
Got this.
Yeah.
I'm
Who?
gonna make an announcement.
And we're gonna get 3 more soon here.
Okay.
Ruby
Yeah.
and there's another guy. From
There we go.
There
Ruby,
you
Quick,
are.
eat some food.
Thank you.
Eat up.
Per Duncan and Ruby.
Duncan, Ruby. What was the last one?
Kurt.
Kurt. Okay,
Per
got it.
Doug.
13376.
What shifter are they? Am I gonna see them?
Oh, shift 2.
Oh, okay.
And
At
then
least- I mean,
so-
we're gonna
I
have
think
3
Ruby's
on shift
one.
3 and shift 1.
Yeah.
you have
got
3
it.
for shift 3 and 3 for shift
3
1
more
as
for
well,
each
too.
shift.
Yeah.
Maybe even 4 for shift 3. We
Sir,
might need a
you
little
need,
bit more.
I'm so sorry to interrupt,
Oh.
but you need to eat food before I leave. 'cause I'm
Oh,
not-
thank you. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank
Okay.
you. Holy,
Thank you.
delicious food.
Please look after yourselves.
Oh, will do. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Have you had something to drink? There's no way you're eating without a drink, please.
Take care.
It's
guys.
bothering me.
I got him some water. I got him some
Bye.
water.
Okay,
some
all
water.
right.
I really need to eat.
Okay, well, listen, take a break. Take a break. Go off to do what you need to. All right.
I feel bad taking a break. I feel like I'm just.
No, you can't
No.
help people if you're
Listen, that's
dying,
what
I feel,
Captain.
I feel like I'm walking away from my responsibility. You know.
No, you're
Yeah.
not.
You're
There's
absolutely
other units.
not.
We have other officers that are all capable to do their
Yeah, but
job.
right now it's like
Exactly.
when we know we got a lot of people
Yeah.
around. The holidays
Yeah.
are coming up. Folks are going on holidays and LOAs, so I want to make sure that the city feels like it's being
Yeah,
policed.
Slacks,
So
you're not putting in enough hours, I'll be honest.
yeah, I'm gonna have to do 14 hours a day, honestly, just to make sure that we got enough cops around.
That's
Yep,
what I do.
absolutely.
Well,
Road, you'll pick up a slack though, right? You'll do 14 hours?
it's my job, right?
Absolutely.
Parental service, no matter what.
It's a skeleton crew, Captain, not a
Yeah,
skeleton.
not
captain.
wrong.
That's right. We need the meat and we need the fat.
Yes.
No, just the meat.
That's not
No
really
fat.
what I meant. I was more so meaning it's not
No,
only
no, there
you and
there
there's a
needs to
group
be
of us,
fat.
but
There
you're
needs to
kinda
be
not wrong.
fat. Because
like
when we're
2%
lacking,
fat.
there needs to be a little to, you know,
That's
need to
why we
pull
have
from
Cornwood.
something.
True. I mean, yeah. Okay,
I'm sorry, we
alright,
have
a little
who?
bit fat.
Cornwood?
Well, that's a lot of fat.
Cornwood?
Kalidas Cornwood, yeah. God's gift to humanity, apparently.
Oh my god. Cornwood?
Yeah.
Do we have good lawyers?
How do you say that?
Why do you say that?
Don't worry about it.
I feel like they might need to worry about it because I don't really have much experience with
What do you
Cornwood.
What do you mean by that?
No, it's okay. It's all right.
No,
It's
no.
fine. No, it's fine.
No, what? No. Now you gotta
Rose,
say
I
it.
think you need to tell them.
I think you should let it go.
I think you should say it
I
right
think you should
now.
let it. Look,
Right
speeding
now.
crime, speeding crime,
Oh,
speeding crime.
oh.
You went over the curb. That's
Oh my
reckless
God.
driving.
Oh my
Rose, what are you
god.
talking about here?
Rose, what are you
Oh
talking
no,
about?
I'm just messing with y'all.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
I'm messing with y'all.
Whew,
Why
because,
was Brooks asking me how Cornwood was doing when I was riding with him earlier?
You know, I think most reasonable people operate under the motto of trust but verify. You know, you hire someone, you trust them, but you should also verify to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to be.
Yeah, because what you said would have been too much on the nose.
Oh, well, I mean, tell you what. If there's something I remember about Cornwood is he is a dedicated motherfucker, okay?
See?
He will eat, sleep, and breathe everything police related. You know how many times I stumbled upon him sleeping in the old captain's office?
Wow.
Countless. Countless. And he was always, he's a light sleeper. He'd
Hey,
always
you
wake
can't
up
teach
and be like, can I
passion.
help you?
How's this police work?
Yeah, honestly, it's been so long.
That's a concerning.
Oh, you know what? I forgot. I got a patient. That's right. I gotta go back to the hospital.
We also probably need to go to
Come on, Turner, come with me. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Hey, guys, there's about 10 minutes without tsunami hits. I want to get to MRPD.
Oh, that's true. That's true. We have plenty of time to talk. Ten more
No.
minutes.
Yeah, I got 5 minutes. Come on, come back up. 77 at the hospital. Come on, 77.
No. You can handle that. I got Rhodes here. Come on over here, Rhodes. Come on.
Oh,
over.
wait, where am I going?
Yeah, right over here.
Okay.
So about Cornwood, right?
Yeah, Cornwood.
What would you say his best police feature would? How would you describe
Community
him as a
police. He is
officer?
a community police officer through and through.
Okay. Would you say he's a great asset to the department?
He is a great asset to the department.
You could have just said he is an asset to the department. That would work.
No, well, he was. I mean, I haven't seen him in years. I'd say it's been like 7 years or something.
How do you do in bench trials?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.
I don't know.
How do you do? Did you go to court often?
I don't really know.
Okay. Would there be any reason why you would think you'd go to court often?
Oh, you're referencing my "Do we have good lawyers?" thing?
Yeah.
Oh, it was just a joke. It was a J. It was a J.
1076
Just a
senior
joke.
funds.
Okay.
Helping you
good deal. Well,
out.
good. All right.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we probably have nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. Nope. Nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
Has he done
MRPD
something
for the
wrong?
Meeting.
Yeah,
Meeting.
yeah.
Meeting.
Yep, as long as the
77
train's all,
meeting.
working,
Meeting.
yeah. Meeting.
God bless. Everything's gonna be okay, guys. Come on.
I want to get down also before the tsunami hits.
Yeah?
It might be very, very late.
1 out of 10. How fucked are we?
It depends. Is he? I haven't seen him in years. Is he still?
Yes.
Okay. We're probably good as long as Senior Buns is not out of food. And he can afford it.
Senior Buns is limiting one burger, one combo.
Oh, hold on. No. There's a trick. It's one combo per person. So I'm ordering a combo and then a burger and a drink.
Okay. You're smart. Beautiful. All right.
It worked.
Let's get back to the station.
It worked. 3076 missionary. Even the lighting under this is sick.
Also, for all units to be aware, if you end up kidnapped to MRPD, don't sleep in the basement. There's like a lot of smoke down here that sometimes will make you go blind. It's quite scary.
Well, that's scary.
What do you say on the radio? I didn't catch that.
Don't sleep in the basement. There's a lot of smoke down there.
Well, yeah, that is a problem. Yeah. Huh.
Who's trying to sleep in the basement?
I don't mind anybody sleeping at the station.
Oh, then you're not gonna like Cornwood.
No.
I don't think I ever saw the man go home. I don't know if he showered.
Yes. Yeah, no, it's not gonna be a matter of whether he likes me. It's gonna matter whether, we're gonna have a problem. I don't want people staying at the station. People need to go home. They all have apartments. Go home. Come to work fresh.
I agree.
A little moped for 35, or I think it's 4,000 down at the Mosley's.
I actually need to go to Mosley's, and I need to see if they sell that Volcar wagon. It might be an ingot. I need to see if
They have a lot of cars in their catalog, but only a couple are actually in stock.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Slow down.
Hey, Cap.
Yeah.
I don't remember our CVPIs rolling as much as they do now.
Yeah, they roll a lot more.
They coast a lot.
Yeah, they do coast a lot, but I like it more than, it's almost like you're always on your brakes. A little getting used to, but...
Oh?
Come on! Traffic, Vespucci, Poplar, Black Color Seminole. How you doing there, gentlemen? Yeah, I'm turning with the LSPD. Do you have any idea as to why I have y'all stop here today? How fast were you going? I think it was more like 85. Okay. Get your license on you, driver. Everyone's name's inside the vehicle. Oh, thank you. Passengers?
130 is attached, latest 38.
Just your name. I don't need your ID or anything. Just want to know who's all in the vehicle. Cesari? Alright. Sonny? Mikey Simpella?
Mikey Sampella, that's right.
Sampella, alright. Alright. Where you headed to that's, such a rush?
To be honest, we were just cruising.
Just cruising through the heart of the city.
Yep.
At 80 miles an hour, 80 plus miles an hour. That's what you're telling
But
me.
yeah, wind in my hair. Yep.
Wind in your hair. But you got no windshield.
Yeah, you know this rental was a piece of shit. The windshield just caved in on itself.
All right, let me run your information. Hold that.
All right. Look, I ain't never got pulled over before. All right.
Hey, fellas. I'm Officer Rhodes, the LSPD. How are y'all?
Doing good. How you doing?
Doing all right.
I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. That was a little silly, don't you think? Did y'all even realize there were 2 police cars at that intersection?
I'm not driving.
Yeah, I'm not driving either.
I know you're not driving. There's sort of an implication that I'm speaking to the driver.
It seems like a general sense. Yeah, I mean, it kind of felt a little general. I'm just saying. Yes.
Well, of course it was general.
I mean, a little bit more specific.
Okay, well, let me ask everyone. Don't all of y'all think it was a little silly that the driver has 2 police cars at an intersection?
Look, I
while
thought you guys
doing
were
80?
looking at. I thought you guys were looking at your laptops and your computer. You know what I mean? It was too late. You know, it was too late.
Right.
I get into that. I don't have a sense of humor.
No sense of humor.
Yeah, I can't comment on it being silly. I don't get a sense of humor.
Look, we have an imminent storm coming in here. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a stern verbal warning today. I'm notating down that you've been given a warning. You've been given a stern verbal warning here today. Next time you get pulled over, you will not be getting a warning. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Here's your ID back.
All right, I appreciate that.
You take care. Drive safe. You're free to go.
All right, thank you. Thank you. You guys take care.
Y'all have a good one.
Take care now.
The speed limit's 35.
Yep.
I'm watching.
We got 38 seconds. Let's go.
Do they have to be parked?
I don't think so. I just want to be there because they're. I wanted to be there.
Oh, good point.
I would remember your plate though if you haven't.
Got it. All right. All right, chat, I am grabbing a drink while I wait for the server to restart. Actually, I'll wait to jump in queue first. Let's see. NoPixel.net. Wait a minute. Why is that happening? The battery light on my keyboard is flashing, but I don't know why. Flashing battery light. Pulse is green while charging. I don't know why it would have to be charged. It hasn't been unplugged. Anyways, we're back. What did you just do? I'm back. I heated up food. Oops. I know where I'm going.
Well, oh, I slept here. Maybe not.
I still can't believe you called that suspect a whore.
What? What? McNulty?
Oh my god.
A hole or a whore?
I heard whore. We'll give him some time to collect his thoughts.
Sure, I'm sure. Officer Rhodes.
Yes.
How has your police experience so far been?
Hectic.
You
Very,
like it?
very hectic. Yeah, I'm loving it. There's just
Really?
sometimes it seems there's a lot happening. However, I've been pacing myself, and then some of it's kind of out of our control, like tows not arriving, when we're requesting tows, the apartments, senior buns, the hospital being an absolute disaster for parking, seems to stem from, oh, hey.
Sorry, I was thinking about
Back, I was just talking about how you called the suspect a whore.
What? What?
On the megaphone in a pursuit.
No, language barrier.
He
didn't
said
say
sir,
who are.
but he said it as sore.
Who are? Pull over the car here is what I said.
Wait, so what'd you say?
Pull over the car here.
There was a word before that.
Who are?
What is that? What is that word?
Who are? It's like a person who's, very promiscuous, likes to sleep around,
So you said whore.
Yeah, who are? We're saying the same thing.
So that's what you said over the megaphone?
That's what you said.
No, I said here.
Oh.
Oh, he said pull over the car here.
Yeah.
No, you started it with whore.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I did not.
It's in the line.
It was like you were
Pull
addressing
over the
them.
car here.
No, it was in the pursuit. You wouldn't be. You said whore, and then whatever you said after that. That's how you.
I definitely didn't scream at a suspect whore.
Why are you laughing? We can't say it with a straight face.
I'm laughing because the idea of it's funny.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to logically. Can you say sir?
Sure.
Oh. With those sirens.
Maybe I
and
said sore, pull the car over, and maybe you heard whore.
Yeah, with the sirens and stuff going, that might have been it.
Yeah, I've got no reason to.
I can see that one.
Pull over the car, you whore.
No, you started with it. You just.
Yeah, sore.
You went full on. And
yeah, I've noticed with a couple of individuals with the way that I speak there that they get a little lost in the words. Like every time I order a burger at Senior Buns there, they get a little distracted and they're like, "What's a burger?" And I'm like, "A burger's a burger,"
I would not want a booger in my burger.
No, not a booger, a burger.
Huh?
Look, Rhodes, just because my accent's exotic, like a mango or a kiwi.
I'm sorry.
What are you laughing at, you pale bastard?
Did you call yourself exotic?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Everyone else just sounds American, okay? I'm exotic.
Yeah.
Fucking
You
giggly
think so?
bastard. Yeah, I do. I do. Charming and exotic is what I would define myself as. Didn't realize I was a stand-up act there. Yeah, thanks. Thank you, Cap.
I'm sorry.
Didn't realize this was a fucking stand-up act. Is this a Netflix special for you?
Change.
I didn't think you did. Listen, you have some balls calling you exotic.
I am exotic. Look at me. Full thick head of hair. Sort of.
Is having hair exotic nowadays?
Well, at my age, maybe.
Oh gosh. I'm trying to equate something that is so common and then calling it exotic, you know?
Exactly.
Like, you know what? You're as exotic as the common rental Glendale.
Okay, buddy. Fuck you. Rude.
That was a good one. I must say.
That's rude.
Oh wow.
Man.
What's wrong?
I'm just thinking how to for these meetings, how to make them more efficient instead of just us studying around here waiting every single time. What if we postpone it from an hour and we do them like an hour after tsunami?
No, bad idea.
Bad idea.
Everyone will be out there and upset that they have to come back in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Someone's going to be at an 80, and it's going to be serious.
I mean, they have to complain. They have to come back here for the
I
meeting.
just feel like, you know, or maybe we start like 30 minutes into the tsunami. We let people kind of just get food, water, whatever they need, supplies, talk to each other, and then we meet for 30 and then top the hour out.
I do think it is a big difference with big difficulty, sorry, not having like a bus stop nearby. I mean, nobody having like their own cars to drive from the apartment or from.
Well, once I get a car, I'm just gonna drive to work every morning.
Yeah, me too.
Likewise.
I want to buy a pickup truck. You know that pickup truck?
It costs $80 to drive to get a Guber from Little Seoul to here. $80.
Good God!
Does anyone know how much the ingot is at Mosley's?
No idea.
No, but I was looking at the Phoenix. It's 22 grand. That's the one I'm gonna get.
Did I tell you guys about the Ocelot? That was being sold at Mosley's Autos. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it got shipped in from a James Bond movie, but it had two fully automatic cannons on the front that were up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So Erwin Dundee.
How much are those going for?
He called me and he was like, I don't want to be held responsible for this, so I'm giving it to you.
That was smart.
Yep.
Did you get it from Mosley's?
Not anymore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for good reason. He was like, yeah, it looks like a regular car. Yeah, and I was like, it does. And then at the flick of a switch, it was this fully automatic fire coming out the front of it. I nearly bricked me pants.
Do y'all have any issues with your phones or no?
On occasion, I don't get. I can't pull my phone out.
I feel like I'm having an issue right now. Weirdly that you say that.
Okay, all right. I was worried.
That's probably why there's nobody here again. Like
maybe somebody burned my SIM card. I was worried for a second.
You know, we might have an issue like we did last night, Captain.
Yeah. Well, we should probably just patrol and then just it is what it is, and we'll be fine.
Isn't there that scam nowadays where if you're walking around on the street, there's these people that have like devices in their pockets and they just walk past your phone and then they just scan it and it charges your card because of those apps and shit.
That's scary.
That's terrifying. I don't have those apps on my phone for that reason. It's scary.
Yeah.
Even though, you know, your credit card's technically chip and pin anyway.
Have you seen those people who operate in groups? One goes up like with some device to like people's houses.
Oh, and extends
extends the range of a key fob. So if you have it near like anywhere along like the exterior on a wall, like hanging, it'll repeat the signal, and the person is next to the car repeating it, and then starting the car and just taking off.
Yeah,
that's
I watched a
fucked
video
up.
of that, and it happens in like under like 30 seconds. They're just gone.
Yeah, not wrong.
You don't even hear them go because oftentimes it's Tesla.
I'm gonna be real. That shit scares me. But I mean, car manufacturers are getting smarter. They're adding. I know with some cars you can like manually disable the There we are. Server crashed. Doo-doo-doo. And connect. I imagine it'll take a bit. So chat, how are y'all doing? Also, Wide, thank you for the 47 months. Suki, thank you for gifting that sub. Sax, thank you for the 12 months. Keeper, thank you for the 26. Feeling exotic. Okay. That's an interesting one. Pizza and wings. That reminds me, when I was younger, because I was never like super big on pizza, so don't judge me. But when we would order Domino's, I would always get wings, and this is when Domino's wings were like a normal wing size, not some fucking like mini wings that they have now, which are somehow like the size of a fucking index finger in terms of like the width. It's stupid. Anyways, I always used to get wings. And it's how I found out I like blue cheese dressing. I don't know what Domino's does with their blue cheese, but that shit's fucking delicious. No judging me, please. Thank you. Early 2000s Domino. Yes, they were. Now they're just so fucking tiny. I don't know that I would say it's strong. I think blue cheese is fairly strong, but blue cheese dressing, not so much. Actually,